segment bisector. A segment bisector is a perpendicular line which cuts a line segment into two equal parts at 90 degrees. To find the segment bisector, we will do the following. Given the segment AB, we will place our compass on point A and set it to a length that is greater than half the length of the segment. We will then draw two arcs, one above and one below the segment. With the same compass setting, we will move the compass to point B and draw two arcs that will intersect the previous ones on points M and N. By connecting these 2 points of intersection, we will obtain the segment bisector. Dividing a line segment into equal parts. From point A of the segment, we draw the semiline R. Setting our compass at an arbitrary length, we will scribe as many arcs as parts we want to obtain on the semiline R. For this, we must maintain the compass setting at the same length. We will then join the last point, in this case point 5, with point B. And we will draw parallel segments to the previous junction over points 4, 3, 2, and 1. Now segment AB is divided as intended. Finding the center of a circle. We will choose any 3 points from the circumference, A, B, and C, and we will join them to form 3 segments. These segments will form a triangle inscribed in the circumference. We will draw the segment bisectors of the segments AB and BC. And the point where they intersect is the center O of the circumference. Drawing a parallel line through a given point. We will set our compass on any one point on our line. We will call it point B. With our compass set at a length PQ, we will draw a semicircumference obtaining points A and B. We will place our compass on point A and set it to the length AQ. With this length, we will place the compass on point B and scribe an arc to obtain point W. Joining points Q and W, we obtain the parallel we were looking for. Perpendicular to a line through a point A on it. We will place our compass on point A at an arbitrary length and scribe an arc that intersects with the line R on point P. With the same length, we will place our compass on point P and scribe the arc PM. Then from point M, we will scribe the arc MN. Finally, we will find the segment by sector of line NM, obtaining point G. Joining point G and point A, we will obtain the perpendicular to line R. /60° angle. Placing the compass on point O at an arbitrary length, we will scribe an arc that will intersect with line R on point A. We will place the compass on point A at a length OA, and we will scribe another arc, which will result on point B. By joining point O and point B, we will obtain a 60° angle.